As we embark on a new month, it's the perfect time to set fresh goals. Today, we are going to explore the concept of mindful goal setting. This means aligning your goals with your core values and intentions to create a fulfilling and purpose driven path forward. By setting mindful goals, you can ensure that your efforts lead to meaningful and satisfying achievements. Let's dive in and discover how to set goals that truly resonate with who you are and what you want to achieve. So, the first step is to understand what is mindful goal setting. So, mindful goal setting involves being fully present and thoughtful about the goals you choose to pursue. It's about ensuring your goals align with your personal values and intentions. When you set goals mindfully, you're more likely to stay motivated and achieve them because they reflect your true desires and aspirations. Second one is to understand the techniques for mindful goal setting. Start with self reflection. Take some time to think about what truly matters to you, what are your core values, what are your long term aspirations. Reflecting on these questions will help you understand what goals will bring you the most satisfaction. Second is to create a vision board. Creating a vision board can be a powerful tool for mindful goal setting. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and dreams. It helps you visualize what you want to achieve and keeps you motivated. And it's a wonderful reminder too. For example, if you want to travel more, include pictures of destinations you would like to visit on your vision board. Seeing these images regularly can inspire you to take steps towards making those trips a reality. Third one is to have SMART goals. When setting goals, make sure they are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. This framework ensures that your goals are clear and attainable. Instead of setting a vague goal like I want to get fit, set a SMART goal like I will walk for 30 minutes every morning for the next 30 days. This makes your goal concrete and trackable. To ensure your goals are meaningful, align them with your core values. This alignment makes your goals more motivating and fulfilling. For example, if one of your core values is family, set a goal that includes spending quality time with your loved ones, like planning a weekly family activity. Now, fourth one is to create an action plan. Once you have your mindful goals, break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes them less overwhelming and easier to achieve, also, right? For example, when I had my goal to write a book, I broke it down into smaller tasks like researching, outlining, writing chapters, and editing, and so on. Fifth step is to stay motivated and accountable. To stay motivated, remind yourself why you set these goals in the first place. Keep your vision board where you can see it daily and celebrate small wins along the way. Share your goals with a friend or join a community group that shares similar interests. Having an accountability partner can provide support and encouragement for you. Sixth one is to hear some real life success stories. Hearing about others' successes can be incredibly inspiring, right? Look for stories of individuals who have achieved similar goals and you can learn from their experiences. I found inspiration from fellow authors, podcasters who shared their journeys and challenges, helping me stay motivated and focused on my goals. So, setting mindful goals is a powerful way to ensure that your efforts lead to meaningful achievements. By aligning your goals with your core values, creating a clear action plan, and staying motivated, you can make significant progress towards a fulfilling and purpose driven life. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these strategies help you set and achieve your goals mindfully. Until next time, keep striving for greatness and enjoy the journey.